Welcome to SVFF, tiếng Việt giọng miền Nam cho người nước ngoài. Chào mọi người, mình là Dan, mình là giáo viên tiếng Việt tại SVFF. I'm Dan, a Vietnamese teacher from SVFF. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the mid-level tone in Vietnamese. Mid-level tone is thanh ngang. For example, the words such as ma, in Vietnamese, there are 6 tones, so the mid-level tone is one of them. And now let's get into detail of how to pronounce them. So again, the mid-level tone is called thanh ngang. So when you pronounce the words with this tone, we will try to keep our voice stable and even. For example, ma, ba. And the key is try to keep your voice stable, don't rise it or lower your voice. Okay, here are more words with thanh ngang. And for thanh ngang, we don't have the tone marks, so there is nothing above or below the words. For example, đi, đi, anh, em, tivi, ly, coi. And now is practice time. Listen and repeat after me. Number 1. Nhân viên. Number 2. Công ty. Number 3. Công viên. And now let's try with sentences. Number 4. Em coi tivi. Em coi tivi. Number 5. Ba đi Canada. Ba đi Canada. Today we have learned how to pronounce thanh ngang, the mid-level tone in Vietnamese. So I hope you enjoy the video. So did you know that in just 3 months, if you learn Vietnamese one-on-one with us, you will be able to communicate in simple Vietnamese. And within just 8 hours, you can pronounce all the words in Vietnamese. Yeah, without understanding the meaning yet. Register for a free 30 minutes trial here. Goodbye, chào bạn. See you next time.
Thousands of Vietnamese learners have successfully achieved the goal of learning Vietnamese with SVFF. You can do it too. Join us for a free 30 minutes trial here.